guys, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Don't know how loud things are. First ride of the season. Trying to get out of the house. Been stuck in there just like everybody else. I figure this is still distant enough. Alright, and the reason why I want to get this ride in is because I'm going to be putting the Screaming Eagle high flow air filter on, and I'm going to be installing the Vance & Hines Fuelpack FP3. So I want to remember what the bike was running like before I did that. So going out for a little ride here. It's actually a pretty beautiful day tonight. Not sure what the date is. I think it's maybe like the 20th. Woo. I forgot how much I missed this. Love ride. But listen for the D-cell pop. See if it happens. I'm hoping with the fuel pack I can get rid of a little bit of it. This is awesome. Love the sound of that Vance & Hines 3-inch slip-ons. Love it. Man, I miss this. This ride around the block might turn into a longer ride. It's actually quite nice out. Everybody's looking at me wishing they had a bike. Tell you what, you forget about a lot of stuff out here. Forget about a lot of problems. Just go ride. Really hope the sound on this video is good. It does sound loud in my helmet, but I'm hoping the mic might not be picking it all up. Mr. Squirrely got it. So let's listen for that D-cell pop. Especially downhill, if I let go. Bop, 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 bop. You hear it. You know, and the one thing on this bike that I'm not a big fan of, my other bikes that I had years ago, you had to turn the turn signals off. I would rather do that. I'm very good about turning them off. I don't like the self-canceling. Oh man, I love it. I can't imagine if the air cleaner and the FP3 add some to this. This bike is awesome. Alright guys, so this is going to do it for my video today. Gonna say I'll be doing the next video on the air cleaner and the FP3 fuel pack. So if you want, like and subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications. Alright, so laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.